Long time no see. Today we've got an exciting video. Now, most of you might not know, I own a web agency called Keren Labs. We basically build software, websites, apps for businesses, and we try to basically grow them, grow their revenue, grow their lead, just grow anything to just help them take them to the next level. Now, we've worked with startups, we've worked with e-commerce and just multiple different businesses. So I thought it'd be cool to show you guys how we would actually create an app for a business in order to grow their revenue and just take their business to the next level. So let's get started. Now, the business we're gonna work on today is called Uncle T's. This is an actual business. It's a dessert takeaway spot that I go to all the time. It's got one of the best desserts out there. And one thing they don't have is a rewards app. Now, let me tell you what I mean by rewards app. So if you're someone that goes to Costa, Starbucks, Greg's, Tesco, you'll see they have these apps that you can use. And a lot of these apps offer you discounts, or they offer you, if you buy 5 of this, you get the next one for free. Now, the really cool thing about that is it incentivizes you to go and order more or buy more. For example, one that I use all the time is the Greg's app. So basically the Greg's app it gives you a lot of the different tools. Greg's is basically a shop where you can buy coffee, pastries and whatever. Now, I'm someone that likes to go on walks. I like to go on nice little walks for like 2 hours, and I always get myself a mocha from Greg's every single time, just like that. And one of the main reasons I do that is because I've got the Greg's app, and if I have, I think 7 mochas, I get the next one for free. So it kind of forces me to go to Greg's, buy something, and sometimes I can go there and I might feel quite peckish. So I might even order a pizza while I'm there. And as you can see, it incentivizes you as a customer to buy more, and it makes more revenue for the business and yada, yada, yada. So that's what we're gonna do for Uncle T's. We're gonna make them a makeshift rewards app, and we're gonna hopefully pitch it to them, maybe after it's made, and see if they like it or not. But we'll see. But I'm just gonna take you guys through the process. This is what we use with clients, and this is how we kind of go about building the app and how we do it so quickly as well. So let's get started then. Now, when it comes to building apps, the number one thing to consider is the UI, the design. How is it gonna look like? How are users gonna use it? Like, how are they gonna just go about it? And the number one thing I tell clients is try to stay consistent with other rewards apps out there. You want users to be able to use what they're familiar with. You don't wanna give them a brand new design that they'll have no idea what's going on. And how we do that is we look at competitors. Not direct competitors, but we look how other rewards apps are working. So if you look at the screen right here, you'll see I've Googled the Costa Rewards app. You can see they've got like a scanner. You can use a scanner to scan your membership, and then that's how the points rack up. You've got nice little designs like this. The shop, where you can find the shop, free drink. You see it's incentivizing the users and the customers to actually go to the shop and get the free drink. You can see I've got the Tesco one. Tesco's slightly different, but it's still kind of the same idea. We've got the Starbucks one as well, that looks kind of cool. And obviously we've got the Greg's app as well, which has these cool little designs. I love the Greg's app one. I think it's very, very cool. You can see here, we've got it like this, collect that. You can see here the drinks one. I use this all the time. So I have 8, I'm gonna go again to get the 9th one, so I get another free one. Now for the designs, this might be a bit controversial, but given that we're trying to do this in one day, I've used a bit of ChatGPT, given some source images as well, just to kind of get a rough idea, a rough sketch image design that I can use in Figma and kind of make a proper UI design for the app. So you can see here, we've got different ones. This is the logo basically for the actual restaurant. Takeaway, and we've got some basic designs here like the rewards, collect 2 more, and yada yada yada. And you can see ChatGPT has done this. It's given us some black and white design as well, the dark theme. We've also got this one here. I really like this, and then we've got the last one here as well. So I'm thinking of doing a mixture of this design and this designs. I like having in your name. I like the logo being there as well. We'll obviously have to make the UI a bit better here, but we're gonna basically take all 4 of these and kind of make a basic design that we can use and make the app with. But yeah, let's get started. And just like that, the design is done. As you can see, I've kind of gone with mainly this one, to be fair. Mainly this one. As you can see, got the name, got the logo, and this. Design is okay. I'm not gonna talk here and sit here and be like, this is the best thing in the world. I've always been an okay designer. Thankfully, I've got a designer on the team with me who does most of the designs, but this will do for now. And it's actually really important that people need to understand, you don't need to have the craziest, most amazing design. You just need to have a working product. With our agency, we mainly focus on getting you in front of the customer's face straight away. You can improve it afterwards, but right now, this will do the deal. As you can see, it gives you your name, shows you special offers, got the navigation bars right here. You can scan, you can click home, you can go to your wallet and you go to settings. That's all you need. The user will know about it, the user will have an idea how to use it, and you don't need to worry about anything else. This actually brings me to a really important point. A lot of our clients don't realize that they spend too much time on the very minute detail. In our agency, we prioritize getting your product out there in front of the customers to use. I can't even comprehend the amount of people I've seen spend months, literally months, on just the settings page. Why? You don't need to. Get the product out, have people using it, see where users are reusing it a lot and see where users are not using a lot. And then just focus on that and just go and keep going like that. And most importantly, listen to your customers, listen to your users. If customers are complaining about the settings page being really hard to use, fix that. Don't start working on a new feature. All right, design is done. Let's move on to some code. Woo! All right, we've got the code set up right here. As you can see, we've got a iPhone 13 simulator. We've got the code set up. We have got React Native, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why we use React Native. For those of you who don't know what React Native is, it's basically a cross-platform development framework. Essentially, you write your code in one place, and then it can be used to develop an iPhone app and an iOS app. That's the same thing. An iPhone app and an Android app at the same time. So the first reason why we use React Native for our clients' work is because it's a lot quicker to develop on. We're all JavaScript, TypeScript developers, so we can use it and it's a lot quicker to get things done. Number two, like how I mentioned, it's for iPhone and Android. If a client needs an iPhone and an Android app, we can develop it in one place and they can have the solution ready for both platforms. Number three, the React Native community is growing more and more every single day. It's backed by Facebook and it's just, there's so many resources online that you can use and you can basically build anything at this point. And it is literally the perfect tool to use to build an MVP. Also at Keren Lab, we specialize in MVP solutions. So that's just getting you the minimum viable product for you. And that basically meets all your needs and quickly gets customer validation or customer feedback or anything like that that you need quickly. Anyways, you can see here, we have got the iPhone simulator up here. If we write anything here, it will update on the simulator. As you can see, we use Cursor as well because it's Cursor, it's AI, it makes things a lot quicker. We all know what we're doing, but using AI and using Cursor is what makes us develop products in 2 to 3 weeks instead of taking us months. Okay, we've got the design here. We've got the logo that we need as well. We've got the simulator running. Let's get to programming. I'll see you guys soon. And just like that, we finished the app. We've got a nice little MVP set up right now, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Boom, there you go. As you can see, we have got the homepage. So it's got my name, special offers, rewards. So as users use this, it will decrease. And we've got different ones here. So they better get a cookie so they can get a free one. And then we've got special deals ones. So if you want to see a special deal that they're offering, we can have it right here. And we've also got the scan page. So the scan page is what they will use to scan. So every time they buy something, they scan their membership card and then they get one thing taken away. So if they've gone in for a milkshake, they scan, buy their milkshake, bam, this goes down to 2 more left. We've even got like nice little steps for them. So we've got 1, 2, 3, how to use it, even telling them how to go about it. And lastly, we've got the settings page. So the settings page is just basic details. So if they want to log out, if they want to change their name or something like that, or any other little quirks. We've got dark mode here. We've got notifications, and we've even got ratings if you want to rate the app, make it look good, privacy, and more and more. Now, this was all done in, I don't know, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours. You can see I'm still wearing the same clothes, but we've got a full MVP here. Literally, this is a full MVP working. We just need to plug in the database, which will take like probably another half an hour, and then that's it. It's all done and it's ready to go to the client, just like that. And that's just what I wanted to show you guys today. What we do at Keren Labs, we develop apps super quickly. We make sure it works fine and we make sure you can get your app straight to the consumer as soon as possible because we don't want to make you waste time. That's our main thing. We save you time and we make you money. I just realized it sounds like a massive ad. It probably is an ad without me realizing, but I really wanted to show the actual workflow and how it works. This is a bit of a hack job right now because I'm doing the designer's job, I'm doing the programmer's job, and I'm doing the product's job. But usually we have different dedicated people for that. But this is basically a full working MVP. As you can see, guys, scanning, settings, everything's all good to go in like 3 hours. I really hope you guys have enjoyed the video. This has been me showing you guys how to go from a simple design, a simple concept, and actually building an MVP app ready to go. Not ready, obviously need to add the database, but that's going to be another hour or two. But that's it. In one day, literally in a couple hours, half a day, it's all been done. If you guys want to see videos like this again, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up or something like that. Check out the website, the agency website in the comments below or the description where you can see all the client work we've done. And yeah, hope you have a great day. Peace.